Hello everyone, so today I am playing a super easy tower poker game where we can actually find out. The game name is super easy tower poker lobby, I guess. So let's get started. Alright guys. I don't actually have any idea for making a video. Please guys let me know in the comment section down below that what should I make my next video on. Should I make my video on enemies, like enemy history, or enemy things like histories and like this enemy things, enemy stuffs. I hope you guys like animes a lot. So I don't think you guys actually know that much anime or just anime. Or should I make my videos on just in Roblox cases, or real life based? And yeah, guys, I hope you guys all enjoy my video. Everyone are so I am satisfied with the good comments you guys tell me, and oh, never mind. Bye.